Hi, welcome aboard. You have all the boarding passes. How many are you flying together?
Where's our class?
You're seated at row 44A and B.
Yeah.
Okay, now you can look for it. They're on top.
Thank you.
Enjoy the flight with us. Maraming salamat po.
Where are our seats?
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he describes by creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves.
Nathan. Going to land. We're gonna land. Guys, it's
Thanks. Put it down. He put it. He has his own break.